2000 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Carfax indicates a two-owner vehicle. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles, 59,733 on the odometer at the moment. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter LS1. And as you can see, speaking of the hood, this does have the WS6 Ram Air performance and handling package. Optional 6-speed manual transmission with her shifter. Take a look at the front fascia. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. There might be a little touch up here or there where there's been a little pebble blemish or what have you, but overall the navy blue metallic paint shows well in this one. Check out the still pictures. You can be able to see it with the top up, top down, interior, undersides, trunk, engine bay. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct WS6 polished wheels. Technician did note the brakes are 70% in the front, 60% in the rear. And let's take a look down this passenger side. Again, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. One little spot I'll point out on the driver's side door I did notice. There's the passenger side looking good. This has the taupe interior with the leather custom bucket seats, lumbar supports, the 3-piece cover for the parade boot or the convertible top cover, if you will. And that will come with the carrying case. We're even going to send along the Neonetics Trans Am clock with it. And how about a couple extra floor mats? We'll put those back in the trunk. Those will go along with the car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You get a good look at the rear of the car. Paint also in nice shape back here. Dual exhaust. That is complete dual exhaust. Front to rear. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're looking for a nice drop top for spring and summer driving here, nice car that you can get into without breaking the bank also. Reliable transportation, some fun driving right here. Here's that spot I was talking about again. I'm being pretty fussy. It's pretty minor right there above the door handle. Rest of the driver's side looking good. If you like Trans Ams, no matter what year, or maybe Pontiacs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and you can do that online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it run. I'm going to show you the top going up and down as usual, and then at the end, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Power mirrors, power locks, power windows. Power's driver's seat over here with the lumbar, like I said. And you can see, seat appears to be in nice shape. Just a little bit of wear in that bolster, but not much. Rear seats don't look like they've hardly been sat in. Monsoon stereo system, that is working. Steering wheel controls for the radio. Of course, tilt column, cruise control, power top. And it is a taupe colored top to match the interior, also in nice shape. Let's fire up that 5.7 liter LS1. There's your exact miles, 59,773. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Just the seatbelt light, since I don't have that on. Yes, stereo is working.
So just have fun.
And AM, FM, CD, obviously with equalizer. Dash, nice shape. Appears this was stored indoors. Oh, one other thing I want to show you if you're familiar with these. Yes, it has that little crack from that lack of support behind the door that you see so common in these. But again, this being awful fussy, this car's in nice shape. Sounds as you would expect, nothing crazy over the top for exhaust. What headlights? Headlights working order like you'd expect on a car of this caliber. Let's try it a couple times just to make sure. Looks good. All right. Let's pop this hood. I think I might be able to get this one-handed. With any luck at all. There we go. So underside of that ram air hood, obviously good condition. And remember, that Carfax indicates 2 owners. No accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles. And look at how nice and clean this engine bay is. Another thing to mention, tires are brand new. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. What more do you want? All right, let me pause this, get the tripod out a second. I want to show you this convertible top. All right, convertible top up, and as you can see, power top functioned as it should. Power windows rolled up both sides, and show you how those fit. Nice tight fit above the windshield. No rips, tears, holes, really any sort of discoloration. And again, it's a taupe fabric, glass rear window with electric rear defog. Around here to the passenger side, again, really free of any wear, tear, rips, holes, discoloration. This is top's in nice shape. Probably spent the majority of its life down, which I understand if you got a convertible, but if you need it to keep you out of a brief shower, or maybe you want the AC on, that convertible top's gonna work just fine. All right, I will show you it going back down and how it functions that way. And again, stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's gonna take this car for a drive. 2000 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am WS6 package, original mile car. Carfax indicates no accidents, 2 owner. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures, over 100 of them online. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2000 Pontiac Trans Am convertible in a beautiful blue color. This is a 6-speed manual transmission. Boy, did I time that wrong. We got a tractor coming down the road. Well, let's go see how she does. fun to shift. Nice feeling shifter and clutch. I'm in 5th, let's go to 6th. Cruising along at 60 miles an hour at 1400 RPM. That is nice. And we do have the top up today on this convertible. It is cool outside. The HVAC works on this car, the wipers work, stereo. Stereo sounds very good. That'll be the Monsoon from Pontiac. Our battery's charging over 14 volts. The fuel gauge is reading a half a tank. Oil pressure at about 60 psi. Temperature a quarter of the way up the gauge, which looks like about 180. We'll leave it in 3rd for the traffic circle. Corner's perfect, it's nice and flat, and the brakes feel great. Smooth. Acceleration again is good. Very nice bucket seats. One of the more comfortable makes, Pontiac. They seem to know how to do ergonomics very well. Take a look at all the pictures of this 2000 Pontiac Trans Am at uniqueclassiccars.com.